I noticed 2 or 3 days ago I have a new resident. A groundhog, also known as a woodchuck, has moved in under the shed. This is the first time it's come out while I was actually sitting here. It's very shy. It's liable to bolt at any moment. Welcome, Woody. I just made that name up on the spot. Very original. Either Woody or Chuck, I guess. But what if you're a girl? I don't know. But you're welcome. I hope the rabbit doesn't mind sharing space with you. You've been hanging out under the shed, and I know it likes to hang out there. I am a little concerned about how this is going to impact my little ecosystem here. And I guess everyone will adjust.